Your skin starts off like spring. So green, so petal soft, so flawless. But not without its rainy days. But then comes summer. Sun and fun and tons of color. Ooh, sometimes too much. Sometimes just enough. You know you rock that tan. But don't get cocky. Color always has consequences. Then comes fall. Wait, slow down. The branches are sagging. The bark is cracking. The colors are fading. And yes, winter is coming. It's a slippery slope and all downhill from there. So that's where this comparison ends. You see, seeds give Mother Nature a fresh start, but your skin doesn't get another spring. Until now. Introducing seed-infused skincare to give you a fresh start. REVRI by Rain International.